Earlier this week, some commercial aircraft travelled over 800 miles an hour across the Atlantic because they piggybacked off a powerful jet stream. The jet stream is a wind at about 30 to 40,000 feet high up in the atmosphere that travels from west to east, meandering across the Atlantic with speeds of about 190 to 220 miles an hour. Airline companies will actually use the jet stream to pick up speed and save on fuel as they travel across the Atlantic. And it's one of the reasons why the journey from London to New York typically takes about 7 hours 45 minutes, but the return leg takes only 6 hours 50 minutes. This week, the jet stream has been supercharged with wind speeds in excess of 260 miles an hour off the east coast of America. This meant that a commercial aircraft going from New York to Lisbon actually had a ground speed of 835 miles an hour, potentially a new record, and shaved off its journey time by a whole hour. And it could be even quicker with climate change.
We have evidence that the strongest jet stream winds are projected to speed up by about 2% for every 1 degree Celsius of global warming. And of course, we've already had over 1 degree of global warming. So there's a bit of evidence there that the jet stream has in fact already started to speed up.
This means that the current eastbound subsonic flight time record of 4 hours and 56 minutes could be broken more frequently in the future. But there are some more unwelcome changes to come as well.
The projections are for a further increase, maybe a doubling or a trebling of the amount of severe turbulence in large parts of the jet stream by, for example, the 2060s.
So while a trip from the US to Europe may be quicker in future, that journey may well be bumpier.